Today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is "Driver Refuses to Open Her Door, Doesn't End Well."
Police conduct a traffic stop on a driver who was spotted drinking a small liquor bottle and driving erratically.
Let's watch this female take a liquor shot. Got a tenant tag. She about swerved into me.
That was a quick turn. U-turn or whatever.
Don't light up a cigarette. Put that out. Turn the car off.
What happened?
I'm stopping because I saw you just drink that liquor bottle, the shot.
No.
Yep, saw you put it in your mouth and tilt your head back.
Okay.
Where'd you put the shot at?
Do you have warrant?
I'm stopping you because you have unlawful tag cover. It's
What tag
tinted.
cover?
The tag cover over your plate that's tinted.
No.
Instructs the visibility of your plate. Plus, you can't be in possession of an open container while operating the vehicle.
No open container.
I saw you drink it.
I have.
It was a small shot-sized bottle. You put it in your mouth, tilt your head back. I saw the liquid go into your mouth, like a orangish or a yellowish liquor.
Okay.
And I can smell the alcohol.
Listen, this is what you're gonna do.
I don't think you're going to tell me what to do. I need your driver's license, registration, and insurance. How much
Facts.
have you had to drink today?
Not enough.
Not enough. Come on out after you grab the documents.
Please don't.
What do you
Okay?
mean?
For one,
No. Grab your driver's license, your
You
registration
have
and
my-
insurance, and step on out of the vehicle.
I'm calling my husband now before I get out the car.
No, I need you to grab your
No,
registration
no,
and insurance.
sir. No, sir. No, sir. I'm calling my husband.
Step out.
I'm calling my husband.
Step out.
No, you have my license.
Now you're under arrest for
You're
battery.
touching me. What the fuck? What the
Damn, dragged her on the concrete, boy.
What the
Get her together.
Get your foot off my back. You had to put your foot on my back?
After you slap me, yeah.
I didn't slap you.
It's on camera. You're under arrest for battery on a law enforcement officer resisting. Step up.
How do I step?
And by the way, this is the liquor bottle that I saw you drink.
Good.
Put your butt up.
Go. Let me go.
No.
You ain't got to do me like this.
Step up. I'm trying to get you
I
off the
can't
ground.
step up.
Put your legs in front
I
of you.
can't step up. You don't know my...
Put your legs in front of you. Step up.
Listen.
Walk over to the car.
No.
Stop.
What the f did I do wrong?
Resisted me.
Get my... No.
Possessed an open container.
No.
While you're
What
driving,
did I do?
operating your vehicle with
Listen.
a...
I'm on the way home.
I don't care.
Listen.
Okay.
That was nothing.
Well, it's 115 for battery
Move.
low and resisting.
Get me my I need to call my husband.
You ain't calling nobody.
Get my wallet off the floor.
Not right now. So,
Looks, you were one of the ones. I have a lawyer,
Good.
Jason Hicks.
Okay.
Call him.
I don't need to.
Get off of me. Man, this
So
is
you're
bullshit.
under arrest for battery on a law enforcement officer resisting
Because I touch you, you touch me.
because you slapped me. Yes.
I didn't slap
On
you.
camera. Right now, you calm down and relax.
Get off my arm. You choking me?
No, I'm pushing you against the car.
You
You
choking
don't
me?
have to hold your hand on me. I have costochondritis.
Considering you're resisting.
Costochondritis. No, I want you off of me.
I don't care. You're not
You
going
don't
anywhere.
care?
Stay right there.
You ain't got to pull me like that.
I don't want you to go anywhere, and you keep trying to pull your body off the car.
Listen, I want you off of me.
I don't care what you want. I'm telling you what to do.
All
Stop trying to
right?
pull your arm.
It was one shot.
It might have been. And if that was it,
That's it.
if you would have cooperated and done what I
Yeah, but
told
you ain't
to
got to do that. You ain't got to do this. Listen.
Not right now.
No, I can't see. Now
I'm
you're
not-
violating my civil rights.
No, I'm not.
I can't see.
Stop.
Those are my eyeglasses.
Okay, well, I'm not going to lean over in front of you.
Those
After
are
you've
my
already battered me.
eyeglasses. You're stopping me from seeing. Sir, I want my eyeglasses.
Face the dude.
I want... Do this.
Yeah, just gonna have to use force, ripped her out of the car. She slapped my wrist after I told her to get out. She started resisting. About swerved into me, saw her drink this. So, yeah, I'm fine.
Go.
Like I said, you're under arrest. I'm going to tell you your constitutional rights.
Can I have my eyeglasses? My wallet is on the...
I need you to listen to what I say.
What did I do?
If I tell you not,
Yes.
if I tell you not to go somewhere or to do something, I need you to listen, okay? I have a concern you're impaired, okay? Anytime I have a concern based upon slurred speech, classic bloodshot eyes, odor, you about swerved into me, saw you drinking, things like that. I gotta, and especially after you're under arrest, I gotta let you know your constitutional rights, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, listen to me. Let me explain these.
What was the reason that you pulled me?
I already told you. You about swerved into me.
I swerved into about.
Saw you drink the liquor bottle.
Yep.
And you have a tag that's unlawful. You can't have anything over the plate.
It's legal.
Violates 316.605 and 320.061.
It's legal. It's legal. What do you want? What do you want me to do?
Field sobriety test. Are you willing to
What do you want me to do?
I want to check your eyes and do some physical tests.
Okay, check my eyes.
Are you willing to do that?
Come on.
All right.
Come on.
Are you going to batter me again if I take the cuffs off?
I didn't batter you. You touched me,
my right
sir.
arm right here.
You touched me, sir.
Correct, because you were resisting not getting out of the car.
Really, sir?
Turn around. I'm going to take
Come
the
on.
cuffs off for you. All right. If you're willing to do them, I'm going to check your eyes real quick, okay? Can you take the glasses from on top of your head? All right, face me. So I'm
You know, the one thing about sometimes with these battery charges, right? You know, it's a natural reflex that, you know, you're not gonna let someone touch you, and you're just gonna naturally, like, you know what, you trying to touch me, you know what I'm saying? Who's gonna just let somebody, you know, whatever? But she is in the wrong. You can't hit an officer. So even though he was grabbing you, you can't hit an officer. So technically, yes, she is in the wrong. And you know, she got caught. She got caught, man. You try to have you a good whatever. Maybe it was a weekend or something, you know. You try to have you a good time or whatever, but you can't be doing that driving, man, because when you under the influence like how she is right now, you put everybody else at risk because she was driving crazy. I ain't gonna lie. She was speeding, and then she made that U-turn, but it was a fast U-turn. Like, it was just like, she didn't really slow down like that. When you seen in the beginning when she popped the little Yui, I'm like, God damn, that was fast, you know? So her driving is definitely out of control, man. So I don't know I wonder if they're gonna show at the end if the battery is gonna stick, but you know, technically she did. You know, I'm not saying she didn't, but you know, it is a natural reflex.
check your eyes. See the finger? Here's what I'm gonna have you do. I'm gonna have you follow and track the finger. Finger is gonna go back and forth in front of you.
Oh, she failed.
All you do is
Just
follow the finger and not through your head.
Come on.
Understand?
Come on.
All right.
Oh,
Follow
boy.
the tip of the finger.
Oh
Move
God.
your head. All the way up the corner. We're a little past that. How old are you?
50.
Okay. But
Can I just go home?
not right this second, okay? Can you step right here for me?
Yes, sir.
I want you to listen to the instructions, watch a demonstration, and then perform as instructed, okay? While you listen, I want you to have a stand in a particular stance. So what I want you to do is put your left foot on the line, right foot in front, heel touching toe.
Left.
On the line, right foot in front, heel touching toe.
Okay, I can't do this on a normal basis.
I'll try it. Don't walk yet. I just want you to see the stance.
Whoa.
All right. So if you're going to try it, when I tell you to, not before, take 9 heel-to-toe steps down the line, okay? When you hit number 9, leave the leader front foot
And
planted.
I can go home?
I can't make any promises, and obviously you're already under arrest, okay? So like I said, when you hit number 9, leave the leader front foot planted. Not yet. Not yet.
I can't do it. Yo,
You don't want to try it?
no, I have anxiety.
She got
I have
anxiety.
anxiety. Look at my license.
I'm going to put you back in cuffs. Can you turn around for me?
No, y'all gonna say, please call my husband.
Put your hands on your back for me. If you cooperate, I'll let you make some phone calls.
Okay, wait a minute.
Hold on.
I'll cooperate.
Well, then stop tensing
No,
your
I'll
arm.
cooperate. Don't touch me like that.
We're talking cooperation. Just relax.
All right, so I'm going to charge you with DUI based upon you not being willing to complete the field sobriety test, okay?
No, because you didn't let me.
I've been asking you to. I'm going to ask you to.
I looked into the sun.
I'm going to ask you to take a breath test. Will you take that test?
My lawyer said not to do it.
Okay, if you don't take the test, it's going to result in suspension of your license for a period of 1 year.
I just got my license
This is your
back.
first refusal, or a period of 18 months. If you have a
just
prior
got my
suspension on your
license
record
back.
for refusing a breath,
know what? Just
blood,
take me
or
to
urine
jail.
sample in the past.
Come on, just take
If
me
you
to
refuse a sample,
Just
and you
take
do
me
have
to
a
jail.
prior suspension on your record for refusing a prior test in the past,
Listen,
becomes a
I need to
misdemeanor.
call my lawyer
You
first.
don't have the privilege to
I'm
one for a
not
breath
talking
test.
to anyone. I want to call my
If you
lawyer.
refuse, you have a prior
I'm
suspension
calling
on
my
your record
lawyer
for refusing a prior
because
test in
he
the
went.
past,
He's
becomes
in
a
court
misdemeanor
today.
of
I
first
want
degree.
to call my lawyer.
If you don't take the test,
I want to call my
it is
lawyer.
against you in court, okay? If you've ever been fined for a boating under the influence statute for refusing a BUI test,
No. I know.
Oh, they're gonna get her together. She better. Oh.
What the fuck?
Oh, these some strong officers, boy.
I'll upload the video.
Oh, no.
Oh, damn. Ooh, I ain't see that technique
The
before.
incident led to the driver facing 2 felony charges, totaling $21,000 in bond. She was ultimately found guilty of the serious charges of battery of a law enforcement officer, DUI second offense, and refusal to submit to a test. The final charge of resisting an officer with violence was officially dropped. She was sentenced to 2 years of state probation for the felony battery charge.
Yeah, that's about right. You know, like I said, the battery, you know, when we think about these words like battery and assault and things like that, we think of something that's, you know, a little bit more aggressive, but she technically did do it, you know, so it doesn't surprise me that it does stick. It could have went either way, you know. Could they have dropped it just like they did they dropped the resisting with, you know, whatever. But yeah, honestly though, the cop did a good job, man. So he did his job and got another drunk person off the streets, man. So 5 out of 5 for him. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officer did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.